bad and I'm back at another video. This time we're going to be opening this. You might have here and not have a door, don't mind it. So we got all kinds of different puppets and stuff. We have Diamond, a random one, Xbox. I have a Haribo and a whistle. Minecraft, Mario. That's us, Mario. This might be a video, I can't tell. The sound had like a seafood effect and stuff. Oh, this is Mario. Because look, it says M right here. Mario. You can pop these. I think this is really detailed. Something that I don't like about him, but probably the most noticeable thing, is that his arm is connected to his face, and one of his legs is longer than his other one. This leg is longer than that one. Next, we have a Minecraft one. I'm not sure if this is a zombie kidman, addict, Steve, but I think it's Steve. I'm not sure though. So this is Heartbeat. You can pop it. There is few things about it that I don't think it's done it to make better. But head can be smaller, arms will be longer, so the legs longer. Next is the Xbox controller one. This one is it just looks weird for me. I think it's too wide and this is too short. I think this just looks plain too. And I don't know why this bit is like so flat and bendy. And yeah, that's it for that one. Now time for a random one. Oh, so this was in it. I'm not sure to really what to use it for. I'm just gonna put it there. This one already has some popped, so I'm just gonna pop them to it. So I don't. There's supposed to be a shape, I think. I'm not sure. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 right side, and I think this one probably has to be my favorite so far. Honestly, the one thing what I hope they're talking about to make it smaller. Now for the last puppet what we have today is Ever Silent puppet. I don't know why they did not though the video did when the video also I found that weird. I think it's supposed to be Miles Morales Spider-Man. It has no red on it. But I just look weird. I don't know why this is in here. I think it's too small. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. So like, subscribe, and bye.